Welcome to this gratitude sleep meditation. This is Pony. As you prepare for a restful night's sleep, allow yourself to fully relax and let go of the day. Find a comfortable position in your bed, lying on your back, with your arms resting gently at your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Begin to bring your awareness to your body, starting at the top of your head. Feel a wave of relaxation gently washing over you. As it moves down your forehead, let go of any tension. Allow this relaxation to flow into your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Now, feel this wave of relaxation moving down your neck and shoulders, releasing any tightness. Let it flow into your arms, your hands, and your fingers. Feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed. Bring your attention to your chest and your abdomen, and with each breath, feel these areas softening and letting go. Allow the relaxation to move down your back, feeling your spine, releasing any tension. Let this wave of relaxation flow into your hips, your thighs, and your knees. Feel your legs becoming heavy and relaxed. Finally, let the relaxation move down into your calves, your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Your entire body is now fully relaxed and at ease. Now, begin to focus on your breath. Breathe in slowly and deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air. And as you exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into your bed. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring to mind something or someone that you are grateful for. It could be a person, a place, an experience, or something simple that just brought you joy today. Allow yourself to feel the warmth and happiness that this gratitude brings. Imagine this feeling of gratitude as a soft, golden light in your heart. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter and warmer, spreading throughout your entire body. Let it fill you with a sense of peace and contentment. Now, imagine yourself in a beautiful, peaceful place. It could be a serene beach, a tranquil forest, or a cozy room. Picture every detail vividly, allowing yourself to fully immerse in this calming environment. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the golden light of gratitude merging with the beauty of your surroundings. Let this light envelop you, creating a cocoon of warmth and safety. Silently repeat these affirmations to yourself, allowing each one to resonate deeply within you. I am grateful for this moment of peace and relaxation. I am surrounded by love and positivity. I am thankful for all the blessings in my life. I release any worries and embrace tranquility. I am deserving of rest and rejuvenation. As you continue to breathe deeply and feel the warmth of gratitude, allow yourself to sink even deeper into relaxation. Feel your body becoming heavier and more at ease with each breath. You are now in a state of deep relaxation, filled with gratitude and peace. Allow yourself to drift into a restful and rejuvenating sleep. Trust that you are safe and protected, and that you will wake up feeling refreshed and renewed.